So, hi everyone, we're the EcoNauts and we are starting a vlog series. So, if you haven't heard of us before, we're a group of student workers under the HDH Sustainability Department. And we put on all sorts of programs with RAs and also just tabling events across campus just to help spread the message about sustainability and being environmentally conscious. And today we're going to introduce you to our team, so look forward to meeting all the EcoNauts.
Hi, my name's McKenna and I'm a third-year public health major and environmental studies minor and a first-year EcoNaut. People who know me know I'm passionate about promoting sustainability for the health of the planet and the people on it.
Hi everyone, my name's Roxy and I'm a third-year Earth Science major and Urban Studies and Planning minor and first-year EcoNaut. And people that know me know that I am passionate about living sustainably and sharing it with others.
Hi, my name is Christy and I'm a third-year environmental systems major with an education studies minor, and this is my second year being an EcoNaut. And people who know me know that I'm passionate about food waste.
Hi, my name is Steven. I'm a first-year EcoNauts, third-year environmental systems or science student. People who know me know I'm passionate about teaching residents on campus about living sustainably.
Hi, my name is Shannon and I'm a third-year environmental policy and international economics double major. It's my second year being an EcoNaut, and if you know me, you know I'm really passionate about waste management.
Hello, my name is Colin Moynihan. I am the Sustainability Manager for HDH. I also manage the EcoNauts, and I was an EcoNaut when I was a student here. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in environmental engineering. People who know me know that I'm passionate about sustainability because I love the natural environment, I love nature, and I want to make sure that it's here for generations to come.
Hi, it's me, Shannon, and I'm in Glasgow right now and I'm editing this vlog. So here's a really quick rundown of some of the things we do. First, we do RA events, Tiny Bin Tim, 6-week swaps, office meetings, prizes, and much more. So stay tuned on our vlog series. Yay!
Hello! Hope you all liked our first vlog. If you're interested in hearing some more sustainability tips from us, subscribe to HDH's social media.
Comment down below if you have any ideas of what you want to see next, and don't forget to check us out next week.
There's so much